Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 5 and today I would like to show you how you can change app permissions on this device. Firstly, access settings and tap on apps and notifications. Over here select advanced and scroll down. Now click permission manager and select one of the options like location. Then pick an app. I will go with maps and select one of the available options: allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back I can see that maps. Come on. Okay. That maps gained access to my device location. You can also click on one of your apps, click see all home's permissions over here and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!